Hey guys, how's it going? Here we are again. We're trying to. The cruise control doesn't work. The buttons, the on and off button, none of these buttons work. So what we're gonna do today is we have got a new cruise control switch that we have ordered from eBay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this switch and hopefully it will fix the problem. But before we do anything, we're gonna go and disconnect the battery. It's a 10mm wrench that you have to use. I have already loosened it, so you just take that, disconnect the battery, and back in here. And now we have a couple of plastic covers up here. Just gonna pop. They're gonna pop out. Just it has a clip on this side. It has a clip on that side. Just put your just like that. That was a little loose already. Okay, we're gonna put that aside, and then you have the same thing on this side. Right, just pop it just like that. All right, now you can see we got that's a T20 star T20. So we're gonna get same thing. You get two of them. You get one on each side. That is going to release the airbag. This section right up here. So we remove that so that we can access the cruise control switch. And we're gonna get it in there. There you go. So you loosen it enough. Okay, it's loosened now. It doesn't come out completely. So you just loosen it up enough where you can get that airbag panel out. Alright, that's loose. So what we do is now, okay, you wiggle it. If it doesn't come out, that means you need to loosen it more. Do that. Alright, seems like it is loose now. Alright, now get back on this side. Alright, should be loose. Alright, you just work with it. Get in there, loosen it up a little bit more. So these are pretty much the only thing that's holding it. So there's no other. There you go. Alright, so you're gonna be careful with this because this is the air plastic. And you do not want the airbag to deploy. What I usually do is take a rag, just like that, put it on there, and then just grab this gently just place it on there so that it doesn't mess up your steering wheel. Alright, now to remove that, we got these two screws. And now we gotta, but before we do that, it has only got one socket up here. See, it's pretty easy. Push down, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Then you get in here. All right, remove these. I do it with my hand so that way I don't lose the screws. So now, all you gotta do is just grab it and pull it out, just like that. So that's the one. And what we're gonna do is now, we're gonna put the new one, and hopefully it will solve the problem. And if it doesn't, then you may have a bad, well, you first start from your fuse. You check the fuse if the fuse is bad, and then if not, this is going to be your second option. Once you put this in, see, just the way we took them out, I'm going to go back in just like that, place it in there, put the screws back in there. All right, like I said, I do this with my hands so that way I don't lose the screws, because it's never fun to lose a screw and then keep looking for it. All right, I don't use a drill for the stuff like this because I don't want to break it. It's plastic. I do it manually. You don't want to put too much force on there. All right, now you put the socket back in, plug it in, and you pretty much, that's that for that. We put this gently back in there, remove that. It goes back in just the way it was. Now you just put your screws back in there. The screw's already in there. All you gotta do is tighten it. Same thing with this side, and then you check your cruise control. But of course, you go back, hook up the battery, and then come back, switch the car or turn it on, and try if it works. And if it doesn't work, the first thing you do is you get it on the road, get the speed up to 40 miles per hour, and if then try turn on your cruise control or try to activate it. And if it doesn't, that means it's not the cruise control switch that you gotta replace. Now the problem is not the switch. Now you gotta probably replace the spider spring that's in here in this steering. And I'll post another video how you can replace your spider spring. All right, that's it.